In today's video, I am going to share with you 5 companies that are offering $1,000 or more in sign-on bonuses. This is, of course, on top of your average pay that you will be getting on a monthly basis. Let's begin. If you are like me, then you absolutely love it when companies offer sign on bonuses to potential employees.
$1,000 signing bonus?
This shows me that they need people so badly that they're willing to offer, on top of the pay that you are getting, sign on bonuses. Now, I am going to share with you these 5 companies, as I said before. There are so many companies that is always hiring, and they're always offering sign-on bonuses. You can see if a company is offering any sign-on bonuses. It's usually within the part of the job description that tells you how much you are going to be compensated for your work. So remember, guys, if you want to get the sign-on bonus, which is extra money, read carefully the job description to make sure it's a company that is offering you sign-on bonus, because not every company offers sign-on bonuses. Everyone knows about Amazon. This is like the biggest e-commerce platform there is, and they have multiple opportunities right now. They're currently hiring, and they also have opportunities to get sign-on bonuses ranging from $1,000 to $3,000. Now, in order for you to earn the sign-on bonuses with Amazon, you have to stay at the job for over 180 days, as bonuses are paid out in installments. And guys, this is typically what it's going to sound like. It is so rare that you find a company that is going to give you $1,000 in sign-on bonus from the very first month. No, because a lot of persons will just take the sign-on bonus and they will flee, right? You will not hear from them again. They will get their sign-on bonus on top of their pay, and then they will vanish. All right, so it's just a way that companies ensure that they're getting back the money that they're paying you. They're getting a return on their investment by paying you your sign-on bonus in installments. So over to the next one. Installation technicians at AT&T qualify for up to $5,000 in sign-on bonus, which is, of course, as I said, on top of the average pay, which is about $25 per hour. Now, there is also a progressive sign-on bonus for customer service representatives as well. This is going to be $600 after your first 30 days, $1,500 after about 6 months, and another $1,500 after you've reached the 12-month mark with the AT&T companies. Now, Verizon, like its competitor AT&T, offers sign-on bonuses as well to new employees. Now, business sales account executive may be eligible for up to a whopping $10,000 bonus, which is paid after 3 months of employment. Now, even entry-level jobs like retail sales associate position at Verizon will qualify for a very nice sign-on bonus of up to $2,500, with half of that amount will be paid after 1 month and the remainder paid after 9 months. Right now, it is approaching summertime, and you can get a $1,500 sign on bonus for being a laundry attendant at the Marriott, $5,000 for a banquet manager position, and also $5,000 for a senior group sales manager. Over at the Hilton Hotel as well, they're not going to be outdone by the Marriott. Many new employees at Hilton are also eligible for sign-on bonuses. For example, coffee baristas can get $500 to $1,000 in sign-on bonuses, while multiple other positions also have sign-on bonuses as well. Now, with the United Airlines, ramp agents in some locations qualify for $1,000 in sign-on bonus from the United Airlines, plus the ability to fly for free, which is good. I've always heard that, once you're working with an airline, many of the times you get to fly for free or get, hugely discounted prices. Now, Walgreens is offering hefty sign-on bonuses right now for pharmacists. In some locations, Pharmacists could get up to $75,000. Yep, that is a real number right there. Although the average amount is so much lower than that, even if you transfer from one Walgreens store to another Walgreens store, you still qualify for your bonus. This is one of the many steps to address pharmacy staffing in some areas in order to best meet the needs of the customers, of Walgreens customers. Now, CVS, it might not be as lucrative as Walgreens with that whopping $75,000 for its pharmacist. Pharmacy competitor, which is CVS, also has some sign-on bonus eligible positions. So bonuses ranges from $1,000 for pharmacy technicians to $5,000 for some licensed practical nurses, right? So, which is good. Bonuses are available at locations throughout the US. For most bonuses, however, you must stay with the company for at least 1 year or repay the full bonus. Now, did you know that you can get sign-on bonus in waste management? Yep, CDL truck drivers can get up to $7,500 as a sign-on bonus in some parts of the country. In other areas, perhaps where demand for worker is, not so high or the cost of living isn't so high, bonuses are going to be more modest, but you can still get up to $1,500. Now, new graduate nurses at the St. Joseph Health System can qualify for bonuses starting at $5,000, while bonuses for experienced nurses start at $8,700. In order, however, to keep your bonus, a 24-month commitment is required. So, like St. Joseph, many other hospital systems desperate for medical staff are also offering bonuses to attract workers. Now, if you are a skilled massage therapist, then working at Burke Williams, you can get up to $2,000 in sign-on bonuses from the California-based spa company. Now, the U.S. Border Patrol is offering their new recruits a sign-on bonus. Successful completion of the Patrol Academy training yields a $10,000 incentive bonus. And if you take a job in a hard to fill location, you could get an additional $10,000 over a 2-year service agreement. Now, there you have it. These are just a few of the companies that is offering sign-on bonuses. Now, after you've finished watch this video, please go to the description and check out all the other videos that I have created just for you and how you can make more money working from home. Thank you so much. Give this video a like, share, comment down below, and subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed.